Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So as per our heading, the today's task is reading section. In reading section, what kind of task you will get is fill in the blanks, reading and writing, reorders, multiple choice, multi answer, multiple choice, single answer. These 5 tasks will be gathered in your reading section. So first of all, I want to introduce you about its difficulty. Most of the students face difficulty in fill in the blanks, reading and writing section and reorder. Why? Because all 3 tasks requires your grammar skills as well as your vocabulary. So before we starting the task, we will introduce you with basics of grammar in our second video. But in this video, we are going to introduce you about its scoring pattern, about its negative marking, about its tips and tricks. We will get an example in our next video with grammar rules. And grammar, what kind of task you required? Singular, plural, tenses, preposition, adjectives, so if you have knowledge about these tasks, then you will be able to solve all the fill in the blanks, reading and writing, fill in the blanks and reorder very easily. Apart from these tasks, you required vocabulary as well. Now moving to the scoring criteria. For whole reading, as you are seeing on the screen, this is the old pattern of the score guide, but there has been some changes in total timing. Before you were getting 31 to 41 minutes, but now you will get 28 to 30 minutes. And for reading and writing fill in the blanks, there has been no changes. Multiple choice, multi answer, there has been changes in item task. You were getting 2 to 3 tasks in your previous attempts before 16th November 2021, but now you are going to get 1 to 2 tasks in multiple choice and multi answer. In reading reorder paragraphs, there has been no changes, and reading fill in the blank, there has been no changes, and multiple choice single answer, there will be a change in item tasks. Before 2021 November 16, you were getting 2 to 3 tasks, but now you will get 1 to 2 item tasks in your exam. The scoring criteria will be the same. So there is no negative marking in your reading and writing fill in the blanks, but there will be negative marking in your multiple choice multi answer. So what we recommend to our students is try to avoid negative marking by selecting only one word. If you have confidence with your two multiple answers, then choose both, or if you don't confident, then go with one answer. And reorder paragraph, there will be no negative marking, and reading fill in the blank, there will be no negative marking, and rest of the items as well have no marking criteria, no negative marking criteria. So moving to the grammar section. In grammar section, you have to start with your singular and plural tasks. Singular plural means one to more items, like bottle to bottles, cup to cups, pencil to pencils. It means one item and more items. For the plural form of the most nouns, adjectives, bottle and bottles, cups and cups, pencil, pencils, desk, desks, sticker, stickers, window, windows. This is the singular and plural. These are the singular items, and that is plural items. For noun that ends with ch, x, s or s sounds, adds es. It means that if any kind of noun which ends with x or ch or s, it will take es as a plural noun. Like box, box ends with x, so we can add es for giving its power to plural. Boxes, watch, watches, moss, mosses, bus, buses. So try to learn this singular plural as much as possible. Why? Because it is going to use in your fill in the blanks. Now this is another example of singular plural. There is nouns ending with f or fe, change f to v and adds es, like wolf. Wolves changes to wolves, means that if you are getting f, then it will be goes to replace with v and it will get es as a plural sound. Wife, wives, leaf, leaves, life, lives. Some nouns have different plural forms, like child, woman, man, mouse, goose. Child means single child, and children means many children, many childs. Woman, woman, plural of woman, single woman and more women. Sorry, I have didn't discussed about one more grammar rule. It was It was subject object verb. Go and get it in your list. Why? Because it will be going to get used in your reorder paragraph. So moving to the next slide with the tenses. So with our another task, the tenses, which is very important for reading fill in the blanks. What is tense? Tense shows a time or situation of the sentence. If you write a sentence, it has a tenses form which will help us to know the time and the situation. How many types of tenses are there? 3 types. Like present tense, past tense, and future tense. In these 3 of the tenses, there has also some parts like present tense have its simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tenses. One more there has, it is perfect continuous, which we are not going to learn in this task. So in our next slide, we are going to give you a basic chart of tenses, what kind of tenses are and how many tenses you will have to use. Okay, it's a general information about tenses, but in our next slide we will give you a thorough review of tenses, and after that in our next session we will explain about tenses in deep. Before starting the reading section, we have to familiarize with these tasks. Why? Because it's a basic of this task. If we don't understand the tenses, vocabulary, subject object verb form, rules, prepositions, then we are not able to solve it properly, solve the tasks properly. Like Reorders, fill in the blanks, reading and writing. So just to familiarize with tense, I have shared a simple example for types of tenses. There has been past, present, future, simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous tenses. And past, what we can say is he uploaded videos on YouTube. And present, at present, what we can say, he uploads video on YouTube. And future, what we will say, he will be uploading videos on YouTube. In continuous form and past, he was uploading videos on YouTube. He is uploading video on YouTube. He will have upload videos on YouTube. In perfect tenses, we had uploaded videos on YouTube. He has uploaded videos on YouTube. He would have been uploading videos on YouTube. As I already mentioned that perfect continuous tense is not important in our whole reading section, but we are going to cover it. Perfect continuous tense for past, present and future. He had been uploading videos on YouTube. He has been uploading videos on YouTube. He would have been uploading videos on YouTube. So it's just a simple and easy task for tenses, but we can upload video on tenses, a deep understanding of tenses with some examples like these. Okay, we will surely come with our example of first task, which is maybe multiple choice, multi answer or reading fill in the blanks. We will come back with our next video with the fill in the blanks example. For the time, you have to start with your grammar section. Just cover up the grammar section. Why? Because the grammar section has an important role in your whole reading section. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe us for more updates.